Okay, all the cooling holes are clean. I cleaned them all up. And here goes the fan, clean. What I did was I took an old toothbrush and just cleaned them like that, which probably is basically all I had to do in the first place. I just did not realize that, you know, it wasn't plugged up that bad, because it was overheating and driving me nuts. So I just assumed the worst, of course. But now they're all clean, and I'll clean up the fan the best I can. The fan, you know, it's pretty gross, but I'll do what I can with it. I really should replace it, but I ain't got money. So I'm just going to clean it up the best I can and see what happens. And then as far as this goes, where the hell is it? Oh yeah. See, this isn't that bad. You see some stuff in there, and I'm just going to blow this out. See, last time it was totally plugged up, totally. So that's why I assumed the worst this time. Okay, I got the fan put back on it, and it's ready to, the board's ready to go back in. So it should really make a difference now and stay a lot cooler. At least that's the plan anyway. So let me get this board back in it. Okay, I got it all back together here. As you can see, I did decide to take this out. And what this is the modem. Yeah, like anybody uses dial-up anymore. I don't even know if dial-up's still around. But yeah, I'm not going to use this. The less components you have, you could get away with not having in your computer, the better off you're going to be. That eliminates driver problems, and like if this went bad and it wouldn't boot or something. So the less components you can get away without having, the better off you are. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put the cover back on and the screws back on and go from there. Okay, one thing I wanted to show you guys is this is your memory, and it has a door. Where's the door? Here's the door. So on the back it's going to have a door like this. Okay, if you want to change your memory, you just open it up, and these little tabs here, just pull it back. It's kind of hard with one hand. Pull it up and pull it out, and that's what you do with the other one too. Same thing, a tab here and a tab here. Then to put it back, you just match up the notch here with the notch here, and you slide it in there like that, push it down, and it clicks into place. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. This is your hard drive. You usually have a screw or something. There's a screw right here. You take it out, you slide this out, and then you're done there. And this also has a cover for the hard drive. So they're very easy to get to, easy to change. But that's what I wanted to show you. I'm almost ready to fire this bad daddy dude back up. Alright, okay, got it put back together, and let's turn it on and see what happens. Here we go. Oh yeah, because the battery was unplugged. Okay, stop. Okay, I just had to press F1 to make it go. Looks like it's gonna work, so you know, it's not the world's fastest computer. Okay, I think that about wraps it up. We have contact now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some of you out. Have a good day.